Oh, it's quite an interesting tractor. I don't know if you can read any of that. I'll try leave it there for a while. Well, it says 12th one made, and it's made with 1172 side valve engine, which is 100E engine, a 93A engine, the Ford pop engine, but right. So it's made out of a Ford pop. I've done some of these up actually. Look at that, the old Ford pop engine. Yeah, I didn't know about these. Must admit, I haven't seen one of those. So there we are, we have found something of interest. I was beginning to lose hope today. There's a lot here. Yeah, so that's the same as the one, more or less the same engine as the one I had in a picture, in a Ford Prefect. It was a very rough one I had. Anyway, I'll put a picture on when I make the video down. So there we are. Nicely painted up, isn't it? Look. Simple control, can you see? Very bright day, I'm struggling to see, but there we are. That's it. Now I'm pointing to the sun. Never mind. Let's come round out of the sun. And there's a little plate here. There we are, look. Have a read of that. You might be able to see it better from this side as well with the sun behind me. See the dynamo perched on the top. All I can see is my reflection, so I don't want video in now. Not to worry. There we are. We found something of interest. How about that?